Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and viewers. First of all, let's hope you all will be fine and feeling well. Meanwhile, you all might have heard about the second phase of Kajaki Dam project, and which is a very important and large project for the production of electricity and storage of water, which will be inaugurated today. It is one of the most important hydroelectric dam in Helmand. This dam is located 126 kilometers north of Kandahar, and it is able to irrigate 1800 square of dry land and can generate 100 megawatts of electricity. Kajaki Dam is very important in terms of economic values, which will irrigate hectares of dry land. And as we all know, one of the most important steps in water storage is to take advantage of the stored water. Important steps in water storage is to take advantage of the stored water during the drought. On the other hand, it will have a positive effect on the economic situation of the country. The other major value of Kajaki Dam is the prevention of natural disasters. Every year, floods occur in different regions of Afghanistan, which not only cause financial and personal losses to people, but also destroy many green and arable lands. At last, for sustainability of a country's development, it is necessary to pay special attention to the management of natural resources, especially for the treatment and recovery of water, and the construction of large and small dams makes the sustainable development of a country. And Islamic Emirate has all the capabilities to do such kind of works and to control the water of Afghanistan. So we must all believe in Islamic Emirate government and support them